image I have from my grandma is a black and white one. I lost her when I was just 3 years old, and seems she didn't have enough time to have a color picture. I sometimes imagine how she might look at that very picture if it was the colored picture. Well, no need to imagine more. I will colorize an old picture of Marilyn Monroe, who I love by the way, to see if I can do the same with my grandma's picture later. Hello from Cherries! Open the image you want to colorize and navigate to Filter menu and select Neural Filters. This is a smart assistant in beta version that is available in Adobe Photoshop 2021 and later. Click on Beta Filters icon. From the filters, activate Colorize, and yes, magic happens. Automatically the image is colorized. Tweak the color effects and the image to get the perfect scene or output. And set the effect to be added as a new layer and check the preview changes on the picture. Finally, press OK. Perfect! As you can see, the filter is added as a layer that can be toggled on or off. Smart filter, I love it! No more gray style grandma pictures. I'm going to colorize all the pictures in the old album. Hope with this technique everyone can get their pictures colored too.